Good day everyone. So for today's video, I will going to demonstrate you on how to reformat a PC or install an OS on a PC. So the first thing to do is to enter the BIOS so that we can change the settings. Since we have already an OS in our PC, so we need to prioritize our bootable USB or flash drive so that the system unit will read automatically the first option or the prioritize, which is the bootable USB. So just continue watching and see what will happen next. So if this will appear on a PC, it means that we have successfully prioritized the USB. So we have language, time, and so next, click next and install. So here we will just choose the OEM and click the next button, and here we will just check accept, next, and we'll choose custom. So here we need to choose where do we want to install the Windows, and we can also divide the partition here. So in my case, I'll just delete all the partition and select that partition 1 to be where my OS will be installed. So now it's starting to install the Windows in our PC. So we just wait. So here we can remove the flash drive while it is restarting. And here we will just choose the Express settings. Just enter the Express settings. So this is where we can create the name of the PC, so who will be using the PC. So you just need to fill up that and click next. So after all, so here we successfully install the OS in our PC.